Who is Leo? Read aloud stories from the Champ and Leo series. Champ is 8 months old now. He's one busy puppy with something new to learn and discover each day. Champ loves to play with his humans. Every afternoon, Pammy takes him out to play. His favorite game is fetch. Every morning and evening, Champ goes for a walk with either Pammy or Dave. Sometimes Champ sees other dogs as they walk along. Sometimes there are squirrels and cats. Champ is a little puppy and he wants to play with all the animals that he sees. Yelp, yelp, he says to Pammy. I want to go play. One day, as Pammy was in the kitchen, she started thinking. Champ always wants to play with the animals that he sees. How nice it would be if Champ had another puppy to be friends with. That evening, Pammy spoke to Dave. She said, Dave, I really think that Champ needs another friend. We need to bring another puppy home. At first, Dave wasn't so sure. But then he said, Well, Pammy, if you're sure about this, then let's bring home another puppy. Wow, this is so exciting. Pammy immediately started checking on the internet for puppies. There were so many cute little puppies that were showing up, but Pammy wanted to make sure that she chose just the right one to be with Champ. And then it happened. Pammy came across a little puppy that she immediately loved. She wanted to make sure that this little puppy was brought home to Champ. Pammy showed Dave the picture of the little puppy, and Dave loved him too. He was sure that Champ would love this little puppy as well. The very next day, Pammy called up Puppy Homes and asked about the little puppy. She wanted to bring him home. The people at Puppy Homes agreed to bring the puppy over soon. That's how this little puppy began his long journey from Puppy Homes to where Dave and Pammy stay. Puppy was so scared at first as this was his first time sitting in a car and traveling. But then he was also excited because he wanted to know where he was being taken. Meanwhile, Pammy and Dave were excited and preparing their home to have a new puppy. Then the day finally arrived. A person from Puppy Homes delivered the little puppy to Pammy and Dave. Champ was so overjoyed when Dave and Pammy introduced him to the puppy. When they said that his name was Leo, then Champ barked with joy. Leo and Champ are always together. Very often, Leo tries to copy whatever Champ is doing. Dave and Pammy would sit down to watch both of them play. They were so happy that Champ and Leo had become best of friends. Now, here is an actual photo of Champ and Leo. If you want to know how Champ came to be with Pammy and Dave, then you should get a copy of the book Champ Comes Home, which is available on Amazon. Mommy and Daddy, please do share and like this video with others who have children as well. Good night, little one. Sleep well.